open up the real client, click it and go to profile and click settings. This page will appear and just go to Valorant, click repair. It will take a few seconds to repair the files and folders. Once completed, it will throw up the pop-up successfully repaired. You can see now it's successfully repaired. After, go to the next step, go to run and type the following text, services.msc. Click OK. This page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for VGC. Right click, go to properties. The startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. Once complete, after again right click, go to restart. Wait for a couple of seconds to restart fully. Complete after, go to next tab, search for run and type the following text, appwiz.cpl. Click enter. In this, you have seen the uninstalled program page will appear. In this, you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Don't panic, it will only uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Your account will be safe. For installing, you need to open up the Riot client, then it will automatically ask you to install it. So this is the easy way. Then after, you need to click run and type the following text. Then you need to check for BIOS mode and secure boot state. The BIOS mode should be UEFI mode and secure boot state should be in on. Okay, make sure it should be in a correct state. And after that, go to run and type the following text. In this, you have type for tpm.msc. Enter it and make sure the status of TPM is ready for use. If it's not, means refresh and check. Still have same issue, means you need to boot it. Go to settings. In this, go to Windows Update and check for update. If any update pending is available, means you need to download and install it. And make sure your Windows should be up to date. After that, you need to restart your PC. Thank you.